If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Alright. Yo, what's up, everybody? We're about to check out RM Still Life with Anderson .Paak, with the one and only Anderson .Paak. This is definitely one of the songs that's one of my favorites. Also, Closer's good. The whole album's actually really good. You guys should check it out. There's Yoon that's really good. But there's a lot. It's a very solid album, and I was really looking forward to RM's next solo stuff. So the fact that it's already here and I'm loving and enjoying every moment of it. Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Follow me on Twitch, IG, TikTok. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Yeah! I don't know why I did that. I'm sorry. I was trying to impersonate Anderson .Paak. Oh yeah, one of the homies is in this music video, Brandy. She was in the beginning earlier. She's right here behind RM. I thought that was pretty fire. There she is, as she should, queen. That's fire. She's living in Korea right now. She killing it. She killing it. Oh, we on a train.
I'm still alive.
Ooh. Oh, he got top control. Let's go. He stopped.
I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
Oh, how they do this? Ooh. Oh, it glitched out right here too. Ooh. It's the type of beat that you just like get up and just groove kind of ish.
I'm still alive. Y'all can lock me in the frame. I'm moving.
Sorry for the singing, my bad. I enjoy this. Death, I'm proving.
I'm still alive,
but I'm moving forward.
I'm still alive, but I'm moving.
Hey, hey, hey. This shit bustin'. This shit busted, bro. Wait, hold up. We need to go back for a second. I just want to see his outfit too. That chain that he had is crazy. What is that? So I'm guessing this is a fake train? Ooh. Bruh. He really pops off. When the arm pops off, he really do pop off. That's one thing you gotta know. Look at my stain. Damn. It looks so good too. Ooh. You got a little wet. Did he get a little wet? Oh yeah, and him and them talking.
I know what you're saying, bro.
Hey, yo, Paak. Shit do happen in life.
It's gonna be what's gonna be, bro.
Facts. Oh, see that? Now, if that was me personally, if I saw this would freak me out. I'd probably say this place is cursed and I should get out. This is the train from Demon Slayer, isn't it?
I'm still alive.
Oh, that's a fire shot through the reflection. Oh. I wonder how they shot this. This seems interesting. Hey, I'm still alive, but I'm moving. It's the type of music you would play while doing the chores. Just like dancing while sweeping and mopping or vacuuming kind of shit. Let's get it now. Mwah. Beautiful. Still alive. Anderson .Paak. Oh, I wish Anderson was in there though. That'd been fire. Is there any more? Aw, that's it. Now he did some other stuff. I haven't checked out the Tiny Desk one or the let me see. Is it the one that oh, the Dia Beacon one? I haven't checked it out either. If you guys want me to check it out, I'll be down to. But that's up to y'all. That is up to y'all. Don't mind this soju bottle. Anyways, RM's album, his solo album Indigo, has been fire, has been hella solid, by the way. I feel like RM's in his bag though. Put in the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is your boy JRE. Again, follow me on Twitch if you haven't at Drake Gaming. I'll be on later today at 5 p.m. PST. We'll be checking out K-pop and stuff like that. Probably Minho's album since it's dropped recently. I heard it was R&B, so I definitely need to check that out. And yeah, till next time, everybody. Have a great one. Link in the description. I'll check out the links. Peace. Join the Discord. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Drake Gaming. I'm there every day.